Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how many people that are putting driving lesson videos on YouTube are actually making your driving worse. Now I'm both a professional driving instructor and a professional hypnotherapist, so I understand how the mind works better than any other instructor out there. And one common thing I'm seeing a lot of instructors doing is this. They're constantly making negative videos like don't do this and don't do that, the top 10 things people fail on, top 10 common mistakes. Do you know what's wrong with those videos? Well, here's an interesting fact about the human mind. Did you know that when you start a sentence with a negative word, your mind deletes it? In fact, it doesn't even hear it. So if you say to someone, don't speed, you're actually telling them to speed. Now, this is not just my opinion, this is a scientifically proven fact. And the best way of proving this is, of course, the fact that you've watched this video. It's called Don't Watch This Video. And what have you done? The exact opposite. If you say, don't drink drive, you're actually telling someone to drink drive. And I see so many instructors making videos where they're teaching people or giving tips, and they say, right, don't do this, don't do that, don't do that, and don't do that, and don't do this. Every time they tell you to not do something, they're actually telling you to do it. Did you know that? I was standing outside a driving test centre a few months ago, and there was this woman walking along with the children, and she was screaming at the kids, saying, how many times have I told you not to do that? Well, there you go. That's why they keep doing it, because you're telling them not to do it. And that's why they will, because your mind can't process negative commands like that. It's quite funny how the whole thing about speed limits, they're set up to say, don't go over 30, don't go over 50. Have you ever wondered why so many people speed? Because if you tell someone not to do something, they'll do it, because your mind doesn't process negative commands. No wonder people are in such a mess when I see so many instructors who are focusing on negative words. Think of it like if you got into a taxi and the driver asked you where you wanted to go, and you said, well, I don't want to go there, and I don't want to go there, and I don't want to go there, and I don't want to go there. You could be there for hours reading out a list of places you don't want to go, and you're not telling them anything. Focus on the positive. So you say, I want to go to the shops, and you go to the shops. And this is one of the key things when people come for therapy. If they say, I don't want to be nervous, I don't want to panic, what they're saying is they want to be nervous and they want to panic. And that's partly why they've got the problem. So if you want to be more successful in your driving and in your life in general, focus on what you do want and be aware that anytime you see the word don't, they're actually telling you the exact opposite. Check out my other videos to improve your driving and your life. And as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.